Hey there, space explorers! Welcome to another exciting journey into the future. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of robots and automation. Not just any robots, though. We're talking about AI-powered robot arms that are revolutionizing industries and changing the way we work. Imagine a world where robots work alongside humans, making our jobs easier, faster, and more efficient. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's our new reality. It's happening right now in factories, hospitals, and even warehouses near you. These robots are everywhere. These robot arms are more than just cool gadgets. They're game changers in every sense of the word. They can handle delicate tasks with incredible precision, work tirelessly without breaks, and adapt to new challenges. These robots learn from their experiences to become even more efficient, making them invaluable assets. So buckle up as we explore the amazing ways AI robot arms are transforming our world, one industry at a time. From manufacturing to healthcare, the future is now. Let's start with manufacturing, the backbone of our modern world. It's an industry that's constantly evolving and adapting to new technologies. Picture a car factory, buzzing with activity, the hum of machinery, the precision of the assembly line. But instead of humans welding and assembling parts, robots are hard at work. These aren't just any robots, they're sophisticated, AI-powered machines. These AI-powered arms can perform repetitive tasks with incredible speed and accuracy, 24/7. They don't tire, they don't need breaks. They can lift heavy objects, weld metal joints, and handle materials that would be too dangerous for humans. And even inspect finished products for flaws, ensuring that every item meets the highest standards of quality, all while ensuring worker safety. Advanced sensors and safety protocols mean that humans and robots can work side by side without risk. This means faster production times, lower costs, and higher quality products for everyone. The efficiency gains are remarkable. Plus, robots free up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. This collaboration between man and machine is the future of manufacturing. Now, let's step into the operating room, where precision and dexterity are critical. AI-powered robot arms are assisting surgeons with incredible accuracy, making surgery safer and less invasive. These robotic arms can hold and manipulate surgical instruments with incredible precision, minimizing the risk of human error. They can also access hard-to-reach areas, enabling surgeons to perform complex procedures with minimal incisions. From